All right, so we're going to show you this Kellenberger 600U. You had a couple of questions about it. You wanted to see some stuff. So while I have my indicator out here, I thought I would just check the in and out function of it. So I'm going to come on up here and get this indicator someplace. I'll put the magnet on. Try to put it right up there at 12 o'clock, something like that. Now this is just the rapid in and out. It's not the actual feed. Well, it's just as important. So that's working pretty good. It's a 1/10 indicator. I can swing this over here just to get an idea of the Morse taper number 5 over here. Again, that doesn't move at all, really. I wouldn't expect it to. All right, so that's that. And we're going to mount it up here. And look at this table. Oop. Well, we can look at that too. And what we want is, we want this to be forward. Hold on. All right, we'll put it right down there. And start the table. You can step back a little so they can see actually what's. So that looks pretty good. There are some nicks and whatnot on top of the table. I didn't stone them out. So that's that. And then we're just going to show you quickly the machine functions. Like I said, the wheelhead swivels, but it's not locking in to its proper points. I don't know what's going on inside. I have to get in there and find out. As you pointed out, this riser there is not factory. It's somebody put it in there. It's probably 50 millimeters. Matter of fact, I'm sure it is. But we're going to look to see if we have the proper plate to go in there. So again, we can show you a plunge grind. Don't need the table for that. Hand wheels feeding down. And the coarse feed. Then we're going to hit the switch if we haven't run out of travel. Go into the fine feed. And then we go right past 0 because I don't have the stop in. And we don't need that much feed. Okay. So you got your coarse feed, your fine feed, spark out. I'll slow that down a bit. Coarse feed. And it's about 40 thousandths around the hand wheels. It's calibrated from 0 to 40 thousandths. Each individual line is 2/10, and there's 1 thousandths between each number. All right, you've got your lock over here to lock the wheel in position. You've got your 2-ratio hand wheel to rapidly move the slide in and out by hand. You also have the same function with your longitudinal table. This is the fine. This is the coarse. You have your 2 dwells here, your table speed. You have your rapid in and out, which you can block if you don't want to have it coming in and out. Also, there's a mechanism on here so that when we come in, we don't move the slide back. When you're I.D. grinding, we were feeding our infeed, but at the end of the cycle, when we retract, our infeed reverses, but our wheelhead slide stays where it is for internal grinding. That has to be selected here, internal grinding. You have a hand mode where you can bring the slide in and out by hand, and you also have your automatic, which is where you would keep it for just general grinding. Workhead, variable speed, got your speed over here. And on the back side of it is a locking pin so you can lock the spindle. Currently this machine is wired for 440 volts, 3-phase. I can't think of anything else. That's the Kellenberger 600U. And what we're going to do with it is we're going to take the wheel slide off, we're going to take this off, we're going to see what's going on with the thing going up and down. If it's not working properly, we're going to have to pull the column out and find out why, re-clean that all up and lubricate it and put it all back in. We'll find out a little more about this headstock, but if you ask me, I think it's live only, meaning that it's always going to rotate. It's good for a faceplate, collets, chucks, and any kind of live center work. You've got your 2 speeds, you've got your fine feed adjustment down here for your fine feed, and you got your coarse feed up on top of that. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you very much.